Hey guys, Matt here. Today we're going to be making the turbo louder on my Volkswagen Polo GTI. So what I have here is a RamAir Intake, straight from the UK. Took a while to ship, but yeah, it finally came, but it's a bit squashed. It should be fine, hopefully. Just open it up. Luckily it's all bubble wrapped up. So what it includes is, this is for the breather hose, just a secondary filter. Then you got the heat shield here. Hopefully this isn't bent, this is what I'm worried about. It's big. But yeah, there's the heat shield, so it doesn't suck in warm air, or we hope it doesn't. Then next we have, so there's that. We have the main filter, so it's actually bigger than I thought. But yeah, that should make a nice sound for the turbo. And we'll see if we have anything else like hose clamps. Yep, hose clamps, zip ties, a couple of miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, that's all good. And yeah, that's the whole package. So, but before we get to the installation, first I'm going to do a sound clip of the original Airbox, and then we'll compare it to the new intake. And if you guys haven't already noticed, I've taken off the hood insulation as well, just here. And that brings it more sound as well. So that's what's been making my turbo sound a bit louder. And it's also got a stage 1 tune. Alright, for the first part of the installation, I'm going to take off the stock Airbox and the sensors as well. Mass airflow and the secondary hose, breather hose. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. So we're pretty much done here. We got the big filter in here. Then we've also got the breather hose here with zip tie to secure it. I want to get this snorkel in to get the cold air from the front, but it doesn't really fit due to the breather hose being in the way. So I'll get that sorted out later. But now let's hear the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it yet. I'm just warming the car up, but it seems to drive much better. It feels way less restricted. We'll give the car a bit of a go in a second. Alright, we got a free road now. Let's give it a go. Oh my god! Woo! That is so sick. Alright, we're coming around to another free ride now. Holy crap. The exhaust was good, but like, this is just like another level. This is so sick. That's sick. Definitely worth it. If you've got a turbo car, no doubt get the intake, 100%. And if you had hood insulation, like bonnet insulation, take that out as well. It doesn't affect your paint. It's so worth it. And that's a free mod as well if you don't have the money for an intake. But this intake was only like 160 bucks, so like definitely worth it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, as I said, definitely get an intake if you have a turbo car looking for a bit more sound. Do that before the exhaust.